Can't believe that I got to own a dream bike of mine and bring content to you guys for you guys to see it. See, this thing sounds so menacing, it just scared the shit out of that bird, literally. Some other mods on this bike that you can't just physically see. But like I was saying, what's up guys, it's Stickers, back with another video. Right now this is going to be a little bit different of a video for you guys. We are actually finally doing the highly requested review or look at my bike, the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. I don't know why I've never done this. Somebody commented on a recent video like, can we see like a full walk around of your bike? I was like, yeah. I was like, I think I did that when I bought it new, or when I bought it from Mally, but I haven't done one since, and we've done some mods to it. And yeah, so we are going to be riding to a nice, oh, we got a moto cop, we're completely legal, we're good. But yeah, no, we are going to be going and do a full ride and review of this bike. Well, not review so much, just show it off to you guys. You guys can take a look and see everything about it, see what you guys like, show off all the mods and talk about it. So yeah, we're gonna ride to a beautiful spot on the beach right here that we went to not too long ago, and I'm gonna show you guys the bike. So I'll catch you guys when we get over there and start talking about our beautiful 2019 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. All right guys, and we are here, ooh, smash my toe, at the spot. Tuck our gloves in. It's a beautiful, I don't know if you guys recognize this, when we did that huge group ride, we met up somewhere right next to all that pile of stuff. I feel like that was already here. Yeah, this is the nice little beautiful beach spot. Probably gonna get a couple reels. Let's kick this box out the way. This is gonna annoy me. The wheels aren't too dirty, luckily. Whatever. But yes, here is our 2019 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. The big part that you guys can see on it is it's pink. Huge shout out to A-Moto Part for sending me these fairings. As you guys can see in the sun, don't know if the camera does it justice. It has a ton of beautiful pearl flake in it with this custom paint job. So yes, this is our custom A-Moto Part fairing kit. Great fit, amazing fit. Didn't have to do really any modifications to get it to fit. A little gap there on the bottom, but that's not bad. That is not bad for an aftermarket fairing kit. A lot of fairing kits do not fit at all. Next, what makes it sound so good when riding is the 3/4 exhaust SC Project CRT carbon fiber, because it has the carbon can. So yes, that is the beautiful exhaust sound you guys hear. And let's get to some other parts. So this matte or satin looking carbon is factory carbon fiber from Aprilia. So it has that side piece and the front fender. Those are both factory Aprilia carbon fiber parts. Everything else, the gloss carbon, is aftermarket. We got the next to the headlight side upper fairing, don't know what to call it. The tank cover, the gills on this side. Rear fender, probably my favorite piece in carbon is this carbon tailpiece. We love this. I feel like it makes the bike look so good. And then the other lower gill side on that side, upper and lower chain guard. So that is all the carbon fiber on the bike. We have some beautiful Rizomas, lever guards, and some ASV levers, which are all awesome, beautiful parts. We do have our straps brackets still on, but we don't run the bike strap no more. Another big piece to this bike that I love, a huge upgrade to this bike, was the Cordona quick shifter. So this quick shifter was a decent quick shifter to start. Wasn't the greatest, but was a pretty good quick shifter. When I upgraded that Cordona, this quick shifter is butter now. Barely baby taps, shifts every time. I don't think I've gotten a false neutral since installing that. We are also have, something works. Steelworks, I think, rear set conversion. So it's a stock rear set, but you can convert it to GP shift. We have that on the bike. Of course, frame sliders front and back, and the most important, quick release gas cap. If you have a motorcycle, you know how much of a pain it is. Take out your key, put it in, twist it, get gas, put it back, such a pain. Now with the quick release, you just pop it out, fill your tank up, leave your key in the ignition, boom, and you're done. But yes, that is everything that is on our, oh, and one more thing, forgot. We got tidy tail and our Insta360 setup, but that will be coming off here shortly. But yes, no, so that is everything pretty much on our, oh, I'm actually, one more thing, guys, I keep forgetting, I've done so many mods that I can't remember. Our only pieces of titanium, our rear sprocket, we did a 520 conversion, added 2 teeth to the rear, so it is 43 now, and we added titanium bolts. Huge shout out to Daisuke Racing. They were a huge part of helping me getting everything I need for this bike. They were the ones that got me the quick shifter. It was going to take months. They got it quick. The titanium bolts. I think that's it right now. There has to be more that they got me, but I can't remember off the top of my head. There's so many things. But yeah, that is everything parts-wise on our 2019 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. So we're going to get into the little bit of the riding part of it. I'm going to talk while riding, how it feels, everything about it. And, all right, I'll catch you guys once we start moving. All right, guys, it's time to get out of here. Got some cool shots for a reel. Probably got like 2 or 3 reels from here. We are going to be going to meet up with our buddy on his ZX10. He has that greenish color one. We were riding with him and Emil on his S1K not that long ago, because he is buying an Insta360 Ace Pro from us. So we are going to be selling him an Ace Pro, hooking up one of our homies. So we're going to be going to meet up with him real quick. But first we got to stop by our place to get the camera, and then we're going to go right over to him and then meet up with him. So, but let's continue this little video. Some other mods that you guys aren't able to see that's on there. This does have Bren's Stage 2 tune and has their, oh, that bird just himself. See, this thing sounds so menacing, it just scared the shit out of that bird, literally. Some other mods on this bike that you can't just physically see. But like I was saying, God, get smacked off the bat right here. But it does have Brent's Stage 2 tune and velocity stacks, which make this beast an animal. Extremely torquey, extremely fun. But yeah, no, so that is another set of mods on this thing, but it's not visible because it's literally under this thing right here. The velocity stacks sit right on top of the airbox, and the tune is actually from in the trunk. Plug it in and install the up map. So yeah, that is also 2 more mods on this insane bike that you can't just see. But yeah, no, we're gonna go for a ride. I'm gonna talk about it while riding, and yeah, we'll go from there, guys. A lot of fun. This bike was a dream. Is a dream. Can't believe that I got to own a dream bike of mine and bring content to you guys for you guys to see it. All right, let's get out of here. Maybe we'll do a little bit of mobbing on the freeway too. Hit Mexico real quick. Just feels so nice and nimble, and everything about this bike. It's Italian stallion.